Hi, I'm Mitch with MLCS Woodworking, and I wanted to hop on here real quick and show you some features of this cool new laser that we're selling. It's a 3-watt laser. It's a small portable laser that will engrave approximately a 3-inch square. One of the reasons we really like it is there's no setup. Right out of the box it's ready to roll, and it will work with a program on your PC or an app on your phone. And we love the app on the phone. You don't even need to have a computer. You Bluetooth your phone directly to the laser and you have full control, all the features and functionality right from your phone. Think taking it to a craft show, customizing work for people on the spot. Give me 5 minutes, I'll have your name, I'll have a note engraved right on the piece. Small laser is perfect for small craft items like pens, boxes, bowls, trays. Small items you could literally just slide right underneath the laser. The laser will show you where it's going to engrave. You can hit start on your phone and it'll engrave whatever you select. You could add logos, you can personalize, you can add a note. Here's a logo on a pen case. Here's a retirement note. Congratulations on your retirement, with a personalized pen inside. It takes your work to the next level. If your work doesn't fit underneath it, if it's a larger piece like a bowl, you can simply flip it over and put the laser directly on top of the bowl. Now you're engraving permanently your logo into the bottom of the bowl. It'll never wear. It's much cleaner than a branding iron, and in 5 minutes it's all set. Set it, walk away, and it will engrave. Simple things like a bowl that you're selling or a tray that you're selling at a craft show. Put your logo on the back. Christmas bowl. Put a personalized note to your friends and family that they'll have forever. Right on the back, just drop the laser right on there. Another great feature that we figured out is you can actually do it in your own handwriting. You want your signature on the bottom of your work? You want to add a personalized note to something? Take a look at this box we did. We took a note from mom and dad to the daughter. We took a photo of it and engraved it right into the box. Every time this box gets open, you see that note in mom's handwritten writing that they'll have forever. This is a great small portable unit that you could do all kinds of things with. Engrave materials, cut materials, personalize, customize. Think taking your work to the next level. Think customization. This unit is on sale now.